Hiya! Today I'll be showing you how to do your brows with both a pomade and a powder. First, you'll want to get rid of any unruly hairs by tweezing, shaving, or waxing. First, you're going to want to use a spoolie brush to get rid of any stray hairs and dandruff, and also to get all your hairs going in the same direction. I'm going to start with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and an Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brow brush. It's important that your brow bristles come to a firm point for brow definition. You're going to use your brow brush horizontally. Start by placing your brush just inside the lower inner corner of your brow. Use short strokes in a straight line for the first third of your brow. For the middle third of your eye, use long continuous strokes angled upward to your arch. Then use one long stroke from the inner corner to the arch to the tail of the brow. There's now one long line going from the lower inner corner to the tail. I keep the pomade on the brush smooth by dragging it against the side of the pomade jar. Now similarly for the top side, we're going to use short strokes just inside the first third of the brow line. And again, one long line angled slightly up towards the arch, and another long line down to the tip of the tail. Now with pomade, there's a reason that we don't fill in the middle. As I comb my spoolie brush through my brow, pomade gets redistributed to the center of my eyebrow. If I see any gaps, I just keep brushing until it's filled. Generally speaking, you do want your eyebrow to start lighter and end darker. For a squared brow, turn your brush vertically. Now for my other brow, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo with a lighter shade and a darker shade. The lighter shade will go on the inner corner, and the darker shade will go on the outer corner. I'm going in with the lighter shade on the Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. We're doing the entire first third of the brow with the light shade, with short strokes just inside the hairline, and turning the brush vertically for a squared off look. Now we're going in with the darker color for the rest of the brow, using long strokes angled up to the arch and down to the tail. Now I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to prevent the brow hairs from moving out of place. This is especially good for the powder, but also good for the pomade. You can cover any mistakes or small hairs with concealer. I'm using a firm, flat concealer brush and Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. First, I apply the concealer to the back of my hand so that I don't pick up too much product. I very carefully draw a line under the entire brow with concealer and blend downward. I carefully draw another line with concealer along the upper brow and blend upward. And I'll repeat the exact same steps on the pomade side. And that's it, perfectly sculpted brows both with pomade and with brow powder. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you never miss a video.